Now, for 2018, City Leoncio Construction Trading bagged at least 36 projects amounting to 2.1 billion in the provinces of Sorsogon and Catanduanes. A close scrutiny of City Leoncio projects also yielded an interesting result. We found out that City Leoncio's major partner for its Bicol projects is Arimar Construction. In fact, almost one-third of City Leoncio's total projects in Catanduanes and Sorsogon, 550 million out of the 1.5 billion, found their way to Arimar Construction. Now, who then owns Arimar Construction? Its biggest stockholder is Jose Edwin Hamor, the incumbent mayor of Casiguran Town. Other incorporators are Maria Mines Hamor, Martin Aber Sikat, Maria Carisma Sikat, Romeo Sikat Jr., and Edmond Bautista. Now, who is Romeo Sikat Jr.? Romeo Sikat Jr., also known as Jojo, is the husband of Charlotte Justine Jokno Sikat. Charlotte is a daughter of DBM Secretary Jokno. Romeo Sikat Jr. is a son of Esther Hamor, Vice Governor of Sorsogon, and now wife of the Casiguran Mayor Edwin Hamor. As the legal wife of Romeo Jr., Charlotte Jokno could be considered as a co-owner of what Romeo Sikat owns in Arimar Construction Corporation. Clear case of conflict of interest. It is also clear that the Hamor couple are in-laws of Secretary Jokno. Sa Tagalog, balae. Manugang ni Secretary Jokno si Romeo Jojo Sikat Jr. Balae ni Secretary Jokno si Esther at Edwin Hamor.